Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable.
Father God, I make them fight me so hard. I lucky things so we no coward. Oh no, you see, gully side, straight. Much love. Fun love. Gully.
Wagwan Unstoppable. So you know somebody again for giving another update on Wagwan with this whole Mavado shooting incident. You see what I say? So Mavado is kind of lucky today to be alive, you understand? Because after a rain of bullets fired in a cassava piece half of Mavado yesterday, the details surrounding the whole shooting incident kind of still sketchy. But one eyewitness told Unstoppable TV that on Sunday the shooting was over a dispute between the entertainer's son and a Dan in the area. We're told that Mavado went to Cassava Piece to settle a dispute between his son and the Dan. However, the two got into a heated argument which quickly escalated and got physical. The dancehall singer punched the man in his face. The man, who is a well-known man in the area, left the scene and came back a short time later with a group of men who started firing shots at Mavado. The so special singer escaped the rain of bullets and ran on foot to the Constant Spring police station. Mavado was also grazed by a bullet in the incident. Police are currently investigating the shooting and Mavado is listed as the complainant and not the suspect. The eyewitness told us that several bullets rained and it's a miracle how Mavado escaped with his life. Yo, in a 2016, Mavado's son gets attacked and shot in a cassava piece, during a dispute with another man. It's unclear if the dancehall superstar gone a cassava piece for, calm down that same situation or is a different one this time. Nevertheless, it sounds like Mavado was being the peacemaker before things escalated and got violent. It's also not clear if he had bodyguards with him, but then again, why would Mavado need to travel with bodyguards to visit him own turf, where he's supposed to be respected? Last year, Mavado's son also got stabbed at Limelight in Kingston. The Gully Side artist grew up in a cassava piece before becoming a dancehall superstar. Yo, Unstoppable TV tried to reach out to Mavado's team for a comment, but we didn't get a response. Watch ya now, no? My take on this is, them brother they will come and bush at off of Mavado, no have no respect for the artist from long time. I not just a little simple thing, no. I not just because a man run come and tell you, say, yo, Mavado does this, me we are gonna defend it. No, I not just that. Them man, they have a vendetta against Mavado long time. You understand what I say? Because look at it this way. If Mavado, everybody don't know who Mavado is. Everybody don't know say Mavado come from Cassava Piece. Everybody knows say Mavado is a top superstar. So if the Dan run come to you and say, yo, if a man run come to you and say, yo, Mavado does this, me dog. Yo, the first thing what you should have say is, dog, yeah, me I say the man and Mavado that. What you and the artist of, dog, yeah, me I say, make we quash it, make we talk it out, make we calm this down. But not go and bush shut off for the artist. You understand? So that only said to me, say, the man them not have no respect for Mavado. You see, them have carry some kind of feeling, some kind of belly, some kind of vendetta against Mavado a long time. Alright, watch on man, viewers, subscribers, more when you comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. Share your views, let me know if you agree with me. Alright, it's another one from Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. As we get it, you get it. Yo, I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.